Hello, Mark. Thank you very much for taking time out to show us the pioneering work that Envirolu is doing for commercializing non-sewer sanitation in South Africa.
Aiken, it's a pleasure to be here, and this is such an important topic and relevant topic that we need to talk about.
Can you kindly give us an overview of the Envirolu system?
So you'll see over my left shoulder we have what we call a back end. That's the brown building at the back. That's where your ablution block is. From there we flush. We bring the liquid through gravity down to a collection tank, which is on the side of the plant that's behind me. From there it gets through a macerator pump. It gets lifted into your primary tank, your anoxic tank, your aeration tank, and then through your biological membrane. From there it will then go through an ozonating process, which is your disinfectant, and into the clear water tank, which is then ready for the next flush, and it is sent back to the ablution block under pressure for the next flush.
How many of these systems have been installed and operational in South Africa?
We now have 4 systems installed. This particular one, this was our first one commissioned in 2020. We have one in Mafolo North, which is in Soweto, in an informal settlement, a full solar unit. There we wanted to test totally off the grid from a water and electrical point of view. We have one then, a deep rural site, Torelo Farm in the northwest. We've got another 2 that are in the process of going in. So that's where we are today, Aiken.
The ISO 30500 classifies non-sewer sanitation into different classes. What class is the Envirolu system?
We are classified as a class 3, which means it's a back end. Back end meaning the green plant you see behind me. It's remote from your front end. That is a class 3, and at a technology readiness level at a level 9, which means proven and tested for full commercial installation.
Thank you very much, Mark. I know during the demonstration and localization, you've done several testing according to the ISO 3500. Can you take us through the tests you've completed? Which one did you pass and which ones were quite challenging?
So the environmental, we've pretty much done all the environmental. We are partially compliant there. So we're very confident from the environmental point of view. The challenging ones is the emissions, which is your gas, odor and noise, and then your microbial. Both of them we've done partially, but we battle with an accredited lab.
What other challenges have you faced so far in getting your system tested against ISO 3500?
It's really just about the availability of SANIS accredited laboratories to enable full accreditation on the system. That's all we're waiting for.
And what benefits do you think you would get from being accredited or certified against 3500?
I think that will, in terms of undisputed fit for purpose, it will give the sanitation project designers and decision makers comfort, as well, of course, the all-important user.
Thank you very much, Mark. Thanks for taking time out, and thanks for all your hard work, and all the best in the future in getting ISO 3500.
Thank you, Aiken, and it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Pleasure.